Okay, I'm gonna do a real quick test on the headphones and the volume. Paul C wanted me to tell him how the volume was. I put a little bit of this Divers Trident silicone grease on the connector. This doesn't take much. I just put a little bit on here. Just want to make sure it gets a good water seal. And let me shut this off and we'll come back and see how. Well, this is just out in my yard. It's actually a pretty good signal there. About a 4 right there. This is in pinpoint mode. Plenty loud. That's regular mode. 12-14. Should be some sort of a penny or something if it. I've got me a little cheater. But anyway, I'd say they're plenty loud. I haven't gone through this thing. I'm still really new at this. I'm having separation issues with my Sea Hunter and my Garrett. But I'm just going to have to bite the bullet. I'm going to have to wiggle this camera around for a minute. Put these back on. I'm not sure whether you could adjust the headphones when they're plugged in with the volume control or not, but definitely something there. I have to dig that. 12-13. Pretty deep, 3, whatever them little. Pretty solid. Okay. Oh, that was it. I just want to see how they worked, and they seem to work fine. Oh, what a beautiful day to be working. Ought to be off somewhere doing something exciting. Got a little update on my boat. I'm about had enough of that too. Let me shut this thing off. I got everything out, and I can't get the drive shaft out of the casing, out of the power head up there. I got a friend of mine to come over, and we put heck, edit. I'll show you. We put 2 pipe wrenches on it and vice grips, and got 2 2-pound mauls, and we hit it hard enough where I thought it was gonna bring the bottom of the motor with it, but I don't know. I just checked into another new motor. I'm just tired of messing with things, you know. Every time I turn around, you fix one thing, it's 9 other. But we put these 2 pipe wrenches on here, and that maul and that maul got on both sides and did the 1-2 boom, 1-2 boom, and that thing ain't coming out of there. The next thing is to take the side covers off, pull the power head, get a torch, heat it up, and spray it with oil, and as the oil cools it, usually it'll draw it in there. And just the act of heating up and swelling and then contracting will usually break stuff free. It's just salt water, and it's I just didn't need that, didn't want that anyway. Oh well, I'll quit crying. Well, boo-hoo. Bye. Adjust the volume on the headphones through the machine. That's right here. I was testing out the new headphones from Tony Eisenhower. I was seeing about the volume. 25 is almost too much, which is all the way up. 20 seems to be good. But while I was doing it, there's something right here. It's 11, 12, 13, 14. There's another signal. I don't know if you can see that white paper. And there's another one somewhere, but I don't remember what I did with that one. Oh, I had the machine on top of it over there, and I picked it up. Anyway, I want to see what this is. Let's see here. Should be right there. Let me see if I can get this. I don't know if you can see with that. If not, I'll tell you one thing. You can lay that on the ground with the headphones on and stand straight up. This might be absolutely nothing. This house was built in 1954, and these are not the Star Wars jammy bottoms that you're looking for. But I couldn't resist this. I know there's some wires and stuff going out. Perfect plug. You see that plugulation there? How good that was? Anyway, it's so dry you're never going to get a plug on this kind of soil. It's just sandy. I think it's out right there. Grab this pointer of pins. Should be right about there. There it is. What's a coin? It is a nickel. And it is not too old. It's an 85. Well, it was a coin. I don't think I've ever really got out here and detected this yard. It's in my hand. Ow! And my finger was in the tripod. Look at that. I'm going to tell you something now. That is one fine pull tab. Well, that's okay. Machine's working. So, that's all I want to know. I've been putting it off, and it's just hard to break away from the old Garrett AT Pro I'm so used to, and the Sea Hunter. Man, that thing goes deep. But like you say, you're going to dig everything. But if you're digging everything anyway, what the heck? I guess I haven't had the occasion to use the Sea Hunter on the real high mineralized beaches like the East Coast. I don't know how it would work there. Look at here. See across the top here? Those are somebody else's numbers. Nickel 13, penny 21, dime 25, quarter 30. I just put them across there. That's my cheat sheet. So I'll have some idea what I'm supposed to be looking for. All right, that was it. The headphones work great. There's plenty of volume. I think 20 is plenty for me. And I usually don't hunt unless it's noisy. I don't hunt with both of them on. I usually hunt with my right one on and the left one behind my ear. But if it's noisy, you know, you have the option of doing that. So, that's it.